Suk, suk kay kwan. Market. Suk, suk, suk. Market.
Dito tayo sa Citadel Amman. Yan, one of the historical place in Amman. So this was during the Roman Empire. Temple of Hercules. Ayan siya. So tumira daw si Hercules dito. So Temple of Hercules. Kulot, dito ka lang. Uy. Rain, where you going? Rain, we go there kay Baba.
Is it sharp?
Yeah, it's sharp, guys.
It's like a cactus. When you get punctured, it's gonna be painful for a long time.
Where have you been? Ah, smile. Okay, go down na. You like exercising? Boy, ano yan? Nangangahoy ka. Hoy. Ha? Yan, so dito tayo sa Historic Museum dito sa Citadel. Yan. It's a rhinoceros. Ha? So, yan guys, may mga libingan or tomb. There are different tombs here. Ano kaya semento ginamit yan, no? Magaling ganyan. Galing, no? Guys, yan may tomb, yan. Stone tomb, just like yung age ni Bronze Age cave. Yan guys, oh, wow. Libingan yan. So guys, this is one of the history, no? Church daw to. Ayan, church.
This is nice as well.
Ito na ba?
Yes, I'm sure.
Oh, magdala daw kayo din. Parang mentol. Look at the view, guys. Oh. Wow. Go.
No. This is looking like dinosaur eyes.
Mm. Oh, you wait. Oh, it's close.
Those are mosquitoes. Bigay doon.
Oh.
Mosquitoes. Mas pakapikuhan ako sandali. Wala pa yung mosquitoes. May mosquitoes.
What?
There's a big hill here.
That's not a hill. That's a gravel. Come on, let's go. Oh, that's a man. Look lang, look lang. Oh. This is the temple. Governor's temple. No, we're not. It's an old mosque. Ayan siya.
Wala, iba yung Temple of Hercules, iba yung sa Rome. It's just...
Wow. You're the highest point.
Oh, okay. This one is the old church.
Going to Jabalaman.
Yung malaman?
Yes, I'm going to street.
Yeah. Too much people here, oh.
Yes,
Oh my gosh! Look at it. Pwede natin wait back. Divisoria, kaya po.
Ito ang divisoria ng Jordan. This is Balad.
this is the ballad, yes. Downtown.
Downtown.
Al-Balad. Al-Balad.
Al-Balad. Oh my gosh, wala akong...
So, dito tayo bumaba, oh.
Yeah, here, we come here.
Postcards. Kasi mga gold.
Dito tayo bumili
Ayun
ng
na,
ano.
nabigay ng ulit sa akin. Mami, panood ko din.
Teka lang, may kuha ba? Ay, meron pala.
Mami.
O di ay, nakasarado yung ano, pinagbilihan natin.
Ayan
na-
o, may pinagbigyan na natin.
Yung ano, yung ano nila.
Dito tayo nang bumaba.
Dito tayo.
Oo, may action video sa kanya ng paganda.
Oh, hindi malaki. Wala namang ano dito. Pupok dito.
Malaki puno-puno ng ano doon, ng mga...
Yung mga foreign ano doon sa ano.
Maski sa ano, meron sa park.
Si Binondo meron eh. Parang
Lalakad kami ni Lolong. Tapos si Lolong sabi ng babae dun,
yeah.
Oh, dito tayo ni Kalman eh.
Hindi siya babae actually, bading.
Pwede nga.
Kaya dyan tayo nag-picture kagabi. Oh, diba? Ano ba?
7th day advent.
Eating a famous kunafa.
Butter cheese.
Yan, takaw ng asawa ko sa kunafa, oh. Kunafa.